I drew 141 straight lines inside a circle in less than 40 minutes, and this is the result. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw this pattern, so get ready and let's get started. First, draw a circle at the center of the paper. Size of the circle really doesn't matter, it just needs to be big enough to fill the paper. Then, divide the circle to 6 equal pieces by marking on it. Then mark points as shown in the video. We will use these points in next step. Next, draw a straight line from the point at the top to this point here. Continue drawing lines as shown in the video. Continue drawing lines for the other half. drawing lines, you will have a shape like this. It took me about 40 minutes to complete this drawing. Now it is your turn to draw this pattern and tell me how long it took for you to draw it. Did you like this pattern? Write your comments below. Every week I am trying to create and post a new video on this channel, so tell me which pattern would you like to see me drawing next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed.